Introducing the Mistral 3-phase industrial vacuum cleaner. The Mistral 3-phase is the most compact 3-phase industrial vacuum cleaner in Delfin's range. It features a wide L-class filter as standard, while M or EPA filters are available as options. It is available in 3 versions with 3 different side channel blowers. The 3533 with 2.2 kW motor, the 3534 with a 3 kW motor, and the 3535 with a 4 kW motor. It is controlled by an ABB switch. The setup is very easy. Simply plug in the hose and start working. When you're done, you can clean the filter easily by giving it a fast shake. The machine features a 45-liter container which can fit disposable bags for hazardous materials. The Mistral 3-phase is a great vacuum solution for many OEMs, since it is compact and very silent. Still, it can be used in endless different applications. Thanks for watching.